Well, good afternoon, Magandang Tanghali, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today, as you know, it's Ness's birthday, and we are going out and we are going to go to one of our favorite restaurants down in Batangas City. We'll tell you the name of it when we get down there. I think you're going to really enjoy this place. It's something that's very unique in the Philippines. And, well, let's wait and tell you about it when we get there. Are you ready to go?
Let's go.
It's like we have a date here going on.
Vámonos.
It is a date. Anyway, let's go. Without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Okay, well, here we are at our restaurant and our little date location right here for Ness's birthday. We are at the El Toro Restaurant, and this is in Batangas City. This is, like, again, it's about 30 minutes south of Lipa. Hello. Even though it appears by the name to be a Mexican type restaurant, this is actually a German restaurant. And you'll see, and when I say German, I mean authentic German, and you will see how authentic it is when we get inside and what makes it authentic. But they also have more than just German food. There's a lot of foods, and you'll see the menu here in just a moment. So let's go ahead and go in and try to find a place to relax here. But I gotta show you, this place they have Bahay Cubos all over the place. They have Bahay Cubos everywhere. They have inside for dining inside the area. They have a bar area. Bar area is over there. How do I know this? Because I've been here many times. This is one of my favorite places to eat right here. They have the koi pond set up right here. And this gentleman over here, this gentleman is what makes this the authentic German restaurant. And you'll see here in just a moment. Alright, so this is going to be our Bahay Cubo for our dining experience right here. So we'll sit here and we'll show you what's on the menu. I'm telling you, the menu is phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal for what they have here. When I say phenomenal, I mean the variety, what is on here. They have typical Philippine dishes here. They have German dishes. They have Asian dishes, seafood.
Their main is, their special is pork goulash.
Korean dishes.
Nice.
And you wonder, how can they do that? I don't know how they do that. I really don't. And they have, every time I've come here, they've always had what I wanted on the menu here. I don't know how they do it, but I probably just jinxed myself. Anyway, we're gonna look at the menu right here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pick out something. I'm definitely, if they have it and I'm lucky, I'm going to do German today. Anyway, we went ahead, we got our order in, and I always, when I go to a traditional German restaurant, which I don't go to too much over here because this is the only one that I know of in the Philippines, but I always order something traditionally German. And what I'm going to do, I'm getting what's called the Schnitzel Hunter. Instead of with French fries, I'm getting it with mashed potatoes. Now I asked that they have Jaeger Schnitzel. Jaeger Schnitzel is normally it's like a mushroom gravy sauce that goes over the fried schnitzel that they have. And they said, oh, that's what this is right here. So this is what we're getting right here. And Ness, she actually got you got the special, right?
They have the special today, pork goulash with fries. I think that's fries.
So anyway, I just want to let everybody know, I said earlier this is an authentic German restaurant here, and there's something that makes it very authentic, and I'm going to show you right now. Let me turn the camera around. So I'd like to introduce you to the owner of the restaurant right here, and his name is Lorenz, and he is from Germany. What part of Germany?
Cologne.
Cologne.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I know it's authentic because everything I've eaten here that's been the German food, it's very authentic. The taste is, and it doesn't matter what you order, everything is perfect. Whether you order the German food here, or you order the Asian food, or I haven't had Mexican, so.
Also, the Mexican people say very delicious the Mexican food. Yeah, when the first time a Mexican guy eat here my chili con carne, I think I'm dead. Yeah, and then when he eat, I ask him, the food, wow, more better than Mexico. Maybe because of good ingredients, yeah?
That's right.
And when it's not authentic, I will not cook it. Yeah. Also, some Korean food. The Koreans say, Lawrence, you're Korean? No, I'm a German. Yeah.
Now, I just want to ask you one thing, Lorenz. When I come here, you have probably the biggest menu of a variety menu of any place that I've ever been for.
Yeah.
How do you manage to manage that many things and be able to afford? Because I've never come here with something that's on your menu and you said it's not available. Yeah. Every time I come, you always say, how do you do that?
Yeah, sometimes some is not available, yeah. Not always is all available. I have the 6 or 7 freezer, so the freezer all full, yeah. Sometimes the problem is sausage, because my sausage comes from Angeles, Pampanga. There is a Swiss guy. He make the sausage like German, yeah. So because he have the ingredients from Germany, the skin from Germany, only the meat is from here. So sometimes, special now by the pandemic, sometimes no sausage. Yeah, that is a problem.
Now, even though Lawrence says that sometimes things aren't available, my experience, and I think I've been here, I think this is our 4th or 5th time that we've been here. Everything that we've always ordered has been on there. And something that he does, and he only does it about a couple times a year, he does sauerbraten. And sauerbraten is a very special type of meat, marinated for a very long period of time. There's a lot of preparation. And how long is the preparation for that?
Minimum 4 days in a what call it, in a marinade. Yeah, minimum 4 days, because all the vinegar and the ingredients from the spices goes in. Yeah, so and then you have the nice taste, and so tender it will melt on your mouth.
He's right. It's if you've never had it before, it's a treat, and you will be really, I got to tell you, it'll be such a surprise and something that you really need to experience. Now, I asked him, since he doesn't do it very often, I think you said around April?
2 to 3 times a year.
About 2 or 3 times a year, and the next time maybe it's April or May time?
Yeah.
So if you have an opportunity, and he has a phone number, because I called you the other day, I said, were you open today? I didn't know what was going on with the pandemic. And he said he was open today. It doesn't seem like his business has any problem right now. And call him up, ask him when the sauerbraten's going to be in, and come down here and taste the sauerbraten. So what we started out with here, a nice salad. This is like our appetizer before our main meal, before it comes in. Ness, what kind of juice you got? Like pineapple juice? Is that what you got? Pineapple juice. And I got some tea, and I got to tell you, look at the colors, and we got, and the mango. Oh, this just, I can't wait. Obviously, you already started, didn't you? It's good. I bet. Well, I was talking. We had a very long conversation with the proprietor. Right, he's just he's a very nice guy. So anyway, we're gonna start with our appetizer right here, and then we'll show you the main course when it comes out here to Simone. Anyway, bon appetit. And Ness and I have been sitting here enjoying our salad. I got to tell you, this is probably one of the best salads I've ever had, bar none. The right amount of the vinaigrette type of a seasoning that they have inside here, the mango, the tomatoes, the onions, the lettuce, and the best cut of it's like bacon. It's like a very good quality bacon inside there. Perfect. Always, I recommend that. Now, the main course just arrived right here.
No, this is not spaghetti. This is mashed potatoes.
And over here, for me, this is the Hunter Schnitzel. It's very much like Jaeger Schnitzel. We got the mushroom sauce on the side. I'll take the mushroom sauce and I'll pour it over the cutlets over here. And again, what Ness said, this is not. It's not spaghetti, and it almost looked like spaghetti eyes when you get vanilla ice cream inside Germany. Spaghetti eyes, E-I-S-C, I believe is how it's spelled, or E-I-S. But it is actually mashed potatoes, and that's going to be really nice with this gravy along with all this. So anyway, again, second, bon appetit. what a special treat. We didn't even order this, and they came out here with the... We let them know it was Ness's birthday when we first got here. And probably maybe why some of the portions were a little bit bigger. They treat the people here who are having special occasions really well. And this is what Ness just got.
Cream with bananas. Yeah, and chocolate.
You are so lucky. I wish it were my birthday today.
It will come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hey! And I think in the Philippines they do. For she's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny. Hey! Alright, now before we leave here today, I got to show you a new addition that they have done. You see these three little cubos right here. They've done something, and this kind of is in reaction to the pandemic, and it has to do with massaging. As you know, with the pandemic, people shouldn't be touching other people unless there's a lot of precaution done. So here at El Toro, they've built something called the medical massage, and this is a non-hand touching type of a device that you would lay here, and has the rollers and all the mechanical inside here, and you see there's a remote control inside here, and you come inside here. And how long do people normally for a session? Is a session
1 hour, sir.
1 hour session.
Yes.
It's a 1 hour session for this non-hand touching but mechanical type of a massage right here. So if you happen to be, and this is just a beautiful facility inside here. So if you happen to be here, and if you want to have a nice dinner or a nice lunch, and either before or after, come here and have a nice massage. This is the place. This is really amazing. Now I know you're going to ask, what is the cost for 1 hour of the medical massage on that special lounge chair? And it's 400 pesos for 1 hour. Anyway, so something else that they added since the last time that we visited here. Now, El Toro Restaurant here has something for everybody, whether you are small size like Ness and I, and Ness still sitting over in the Bahay Cupo over there, or if you have a large group of people. Lots of tables inside here, lots of space, lots of nice sounds with the water, with the fish, the koi and the goldfish, all different types of entertaining. They have the restrooms over in that area, and they have the El Toro's bar over here on this side as well. Well, we had a great time. Did you ever? I had a great time. Did you have a great time?
Oh, wonderful.
And the food was phenomenal. I just want to give you some information about the hours of operation here. I just found out, I wasn't sure exactly, but this place is like open all the time. When I say all the time, that really is 7 days a week. They are on a sort of a pandemic schedule for hours right now. I think their hours of operation now are 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And when they can go back to non-pandemic hours of operation, I believe the hours are 10 to 10. That gives them an extra hour. But what the proprietor told me, he said, if there are people here and it's late at night and they're still eating and they're still drinking, having a good time, they'll, other than pandemic time, because they have restrictions of how long that they can actually stay open, they will stay open until everybody's happy and is ready to go home. So I think that's pretty cool too. Very accommodating. All right, you're about ready to head back to Villa Feliz?
Let's go.
Okay. All right, we're going to head out for now. I think we're going to close from right here. When I get back, I think we're going to relax today and enjoy the rest. Maybe
Yes.
I have to do one of those manual massages instead of the the medical massages, like in a chair over there, because I can touch her back. So I'm not worried about us getting germs back and forth. So anyway, we're going to close from here. The next episode will probably have something to do with a lot of those plants that we're working on to get in the ground that we got over at Edgar's place. So, well, if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little MPID Dream heart in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time we upload a new video. So from right here in the Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.